Hello friends, good morning to all of you. This is 28th September and it's early morning. After the workout, I think just let's make an vlog. Okay, I hope you all are maintaining your health and giving at least 15 to 20 minutes for your health, for your fitness. Those 15-20 minutes will take you throughout the day and will help you to sustain all the pandemic which are just coming. As seen that one more thing, I have noticed that heart attack has become such a big problem after the COVID-19. Just even the younger, even 30s to 40s are not spared off from the heart attack. So to maintain your health, you can go outside, you can go outdoor. People like to choose the gym. They used to walk or the treadmill. But if you'll take my opinion, then avoid the inside, the indoor, the environment which you will get outside in the nature or on the lap of the nature. You'll never get that environment in an AC cabin. Okay, I just finished my 5-kilometer run, and after that I just did my chin-ups and rest of the exercise which normally I used to do. You don't need to learn so many exercises, although when you are out you can do a numerous exercise, you can do numerous stretching, but all in all what you have to do is just to make one point in a day when you are completely exhausted, your lungs are completely expanded, and you just fight to breathe. Okay, that moment make you strong and healthy. And after all that exhaust, when you do that last one rep of your exercise, make you stronger. Okay, I was talking about 28th September. Today also it's very important day. It's a right to know day, International Right to Know Day. Okay, International Right to Know Day is a program organized by UNESCO. It was started in 2002, but UNESCO started following it in around 2012 around. Okay, what you have on this special day, you can upload a blog, you can upload a see what we are searching, what you are looking through this YouTube channel, what you are searching through the internet surfing, and people can reach to the knowledge. International right to information, right to know, International Right to Know Day is just to celebrate the freedom of knowing something better, of doing some interactive search. Because if you had any information source, then only you can search and you can express. You know what is important? When you have source of knowledge, when you have source of knowing something, people no, I think everybody make a decision over the information which he gets from the surrounding. Surrounding can be interaction of the people, surrounding can be from the search of internet, or it can be any source of media. Normally, right to know is a effort to spread the awareness and to reach, so that people will know the policy of the government and like those things. So it doesn't mean that you will interfere into the work of the government. It just bring the transparency. Okay, International Right to Know Day is celebrated on 28th September. There is one more important day, is World Rabies Day, to spread the awareness about the disease which are spread by the animals. We can, mostly the dogs are affected. You can spread the awareness that how to prevent the rabies. Rabies can be occur by the bite of any animal, whether it's dog, cat, bat. And importance of this day is just because, you know, pandemic COVID-19, it's also said to be spread from the animals. The different theories which were coming in the beginning, and still many researchers are saying that even the United Nations has said that thus the proof which the Chinese government has said that coronavirus was spread from the bat, from a place from a specific place from the China. It was said to be spread from the some animal, those people who used to eat those bat, and then coronavirus, how it made the hell of our life. So it's an important day. We should spread the awareness and to protect our ourselves and others from the rabies virus. We have already seen that how dangerous the coronavirus was, because it was one of the most believable theory that coronavirus was spread from the animals, those bats. So there was another story that it was spread from the some research lab of that country. Okay, so I hope you all are maintaining your fitness and fitness routine, and stay updated and stay tuned. All right, bye, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Head Fit.